Today, we're addressing the question, how long does it take to become a DoorDash driver? This might seem like a simple inquiry, but there are several factors to consider that can affect the timeline. Firstly, let's outline the process of becoming a DoorDash driver, often referred to as a dasher. The process starts with the application. You need to meet basic requirements, such as being 18 years old, having a valid driver's license, insurance, and a clean driving record. Once you've submitted your application, DoorDash will perform a background check. This is where the timeline can vary significantly. Background checks typically take between a few days to a week, but it can take longer depending on various factors such as the volume of applications DoorDash is processing and the specific details in your background. In addition to the background check, you may need to wait for your DoorDash activation kit, which includes essentials like a hot bag for keeping deliveries warm and your red card for order payments. Shipping times can vary based on your location, but generally expect this step to take another week. After receiving and activating your kit, you're almost ready to start dashing. You'll need to download the DoorDash driver app, which is quick and easy and can be done in a matter of minutes. From there, you can start accepting delivery requests immediately. However, it's important to note that before reaching this final step, you might encounter delays at any stage of the process. Factors such as incomplete application details or issues with your background check can extend the timeline. In conclusion, the time it takes to become a DoorDash driver can range from a few days to a few weeks. Much of this depends on the efficiency of the background check, how quickly you complete the application process, and receive your activation kit. Patience is key, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to making your first delivery. Thank you for watching. Remember, becoming a DoorDash driver is not just about the application process, it's about embarking on a flexible and rewarding journey. Best of luck and happy dashing.